Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sobat editing, bagaimana kabarnya nih? Semoga baik-baik saja ya. Oke, di video kali ini aku bagi-bagi preset loh teman-teman. Sebelum lebih lanjut, alangkah baiknya teman-teman support aku dengan cara klik tombol subscribe dan like-nya ya teman-teman. Satu lagi, jangan lupa buat aktifkan lonceng notifikasinya. Jangan di skip-skip video ini agar kamu cepat nemuin passwordnya ya.
I never saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time, I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. Cause of you, I'm wired up, I don't want you, it's time for you to go. Oh, saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time, I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. Cause of you, I'm wired up, I don't want you,